last night, on date 13, around 11 a.m. 11 p.m. There was gunfire at the peak Khonumpai. And now we have bring here 9 dead bodies and deposit at the Jennings morgue.
Do you have injured person bring last night, and out of you have 2 was expired already, no?
Okay.
And 10 is under treatment.
Okay. Are they still in the serious condition or?
Yes, 2 out of 10, 2 patient is in the serious condition, and 8 is out of serious now.
Okay. Is it the bullet injury or a bomb blast injury?
Mostly bullet injury.